Welcome to this tutorial on Autodesk Inventor. The part that we will be working on today is we will do the outside of this, the fillets and these inner circles. It is called block base. Things that we will cover is the features of sketch, rectangle, 2-point center, circle, constraints, 3D model parts of it is extrude, fillet, and rectangle pattern. Let us begin. We will start by a new part. When this screen pops up, the way Inventor works is most used to least used, so we will start with the sketch. This brings up the planes. We will sketch on the XY plane by clicking on it. We will use the rectangle tool. There's many options, 2 points. We're going to use the rectangle 2-point center. By clicking on it, I will click the origin as our center. The part is 7 inches long, and then I will hit the tab, and it is 4 inches tall or wide. I will zoom out. Notice it is 7 by 4, and all the lines are purple, which means they're fully constrained. We will cover that in the next section of this video. We will now use the extrude tool. It goes by a distance. It already selected the profile because there was nothing else that it could check. It is 1/4 of an inch. Okay. Alright, now we will move over. The next thing that we will do is the fillets. When I click the fillets, it's asking for an edge. I can either preset the radius, or I can do it after I've selected everything. The radius will be 0.5. Now is a good time to save. Save is very important. Save, and it is block base. Now we will go ahead and we will go back into sketch by clicking sketch. Notice there's nothing popping up, so we want to select the face to sketch on. Using the circle command, I can put it anywhere on the screen. Give it a diameter. Notice it is green. When it is green, that means I can move it. I need it to be fully purple. We have to constrain it. Using the constraint tools, I want to give it a dimension from the origin of 1.75. Now I will hit escape. This will only, after constraining it that direction, it will only move in the Y. To fix that, another constraint that I will use is the horizontal constraint. By selecting the center point and the origin point, notice now that it is purple. It cannot be moved now. I will finish my sketch, go to the extrude. It defaults to put in a protrusion or a boss. I want it to cut. I'm going to click the cut tab, which reverses the direction, and we can give it a distance if needed, but it is already set. We will OK it. Now we have the hole in it. Now we are going to use the pattern tools. Rectangle pattern. The first thing it wants is the feature. I can either pull it from the model tree or from the part. So let's just go ahead and select it on the part. Now it needs a direction. A direction is a linear line. Notice it's going the wrong direction. We will flip it. How many times do you want to pattern it, including the original? We need 3 at 1.75. Okay, we will save the part. We have now got everything but the holes, so let's review. Featured coverage, sketch, yes. Rectangle 2-point, circle, and constraints, yes. 3D modeling. We extruded, we filled, and we done a rectangle pattern. Thank you for watching this video.